everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a very informative video. We're going to talk about barcoding products and like why you should be barcoding your products, especially if you want to sell in person. And you guys already know I have my first pop-up shop very soon, so I am currently barcoding every single product. Y'all, there are so many to barcode, and I thought, why not make a video and show you guys how to barcode your products. As you guys can see, this is a barcode scanner right here. Scanner right here is compatible with Shopify and probably Square. I don't know which other ones, but I know for sure it's compatible with Shopify. I've already connected it, and like this little thing right here is like, it's a Bluetooth, so this is like a charger. Like you can charge this as well as directly charging this. Like if you want to use it plugged in, you can also use it plugged in. But yeah, it's very convenient to have at a pop-up shop or vendor market, and I don't see a lot of videos talk about this is so important, bro. This is how you're going to keep track of your inventory online and in person. You know, like if you have an online store and then you decide to do a pop-up shop, y'all, your inventory is going to be all kinds of messed up if you're not like barcoding your products and being able to take inventory. So in this video, we will be barcoding these right here. All of these, I already have them like kind of laid out because I had to take inventory for them, but I am now about to go ahead and make the barcodes and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to search for this app that I use to barcode my labels. This is how I make the barcodes and everything within this app. So you're going to go ahead and go into, what is it called? Yanet Barcode Labels. You don't have to use this app, but this is the one that I use, and I found that it's very easy. It's not expensive at all. They have like a certain amount of labels you can use per month. See guys, I have a lot of products. So as you can see, I've already used over 1,000 labels, and I wouldn't even say I'm almost done. I'm probably at my halfway point, but I do have a lot of products. So, but anyways, let's see. Generate and print. We're gonna let's go to templates, because this is the first thing that you're gonna have to do. So as you guys can see, this is my template that I've saved. You can make different templates for different things, but I chose to do one template, and I just use this for every single product because it works for all of my products. So this is the size labels that I use, 2x1. And literally it looks just like this. You guys can go on Amazon, just find 2x1 inches labels. And I use my Rollo label printer, as you guys can see here. And it's honestly really good. I'm going to show you guys like it printing out. You guys can ship out your orders with a Rollo label printer, as well as these little small barcodes. Like it's versatile, so you can do so many different things with it. Okay, so look, this is my template. This is literally the template that I use for my barcodes, and I love it so much. You guys can do a test print once you do your template, but you can switch your template up. I never tried advanced design. What is this? I don't know. It's like unnecessary, so I'm not even going to go through that right now, but I use simple design, and you guys can look at like what I have for my settings, and you can literally just use the same settings, because this one is literally perfect, because I have it to where I have my price on there, and I have the name of the product, as well as you guys see option 1 here. Let me kind of zoom in. As well as this option 1, you guys see, this is the variant. So for example, let's look at these glasses right here. You guys look at these two glasses right here. So these two are the same product. They're going to have the same name, but I needed the variant on there because they're different variants. This is cheetah and this is black diamond, or whatever I call it. But I needed the different variants because it's very convenient to know like when the barcodes are all printing out and you have a lot of products, you need to know like which one is it for, which one does it go on, to take proper inventory. So I also have the price on there because when I'm selling in person, I want to just be able to tell everybody, you guys can just literally flip the tag over. Every single product has a price on it, and this is an easier way for me to be able to price every single product while taking inventory, while having the barcodes on it. It's just like working smarter, literally. And you guys see this P00277S. This is the SKU number, SKU. This SKU number, you're going to need a SKU for every single barcode before they're able to generate a barcode. So one second, we're going to get to that in a second, but you guys can just go ahead and look at my settings of what I have it on. This is what I have, just like, you know, I'm just going to go kind of slow so you guys can like screenshot whatever you want to use it. Text size is on 7, text font. There's different fonts you guys can use. I like the bold because it's easier to read because it's a small barcode, so you want like it to be as bold and readable as possible. You can have different text color, but you guys, I use a thermal label printer. I don't have to pay for ink or anything like that, so it only prints in black. So okay, so you also have the option. If you don't want to show the price on your barcode, you can uncheck price. If you don't want to show the name of the product, you can uncheck name. If you don't want that variant option 1, you can uncheck it. It's totally up to you. You can even add custom text to yours. And as you guys can see, it has vendor. I checked vendor just so Reinventing Glamour is on at the back of every single barcode, but you guys don't have to check vendor if you don't want to. Symbol is just like the price symbol. Type barcode. You guys can also do QR code, but I prefer barcode. Hide barcode value. Yeah, so you guys can show this or hide it. This is just going to be like a really, really long number at the bottom of the barcode. So you have that option if you want to or not. And then you have the test print option. So you know what, let's go ahead and just do a test print just so you guys can see. Or no, I'm not going to do a test print because I'm about to print them out anyway, so you guys will see how the label actually looks. But once you have the template you love and it looks perfect, then you just save it. And every single time, I'm going to show you guys why you're going to need the template. So when you're going to go to generate barcodes, let's go to generate and print. Yeah. So this part is so confusing in the beginning, but it's actually really easy. So select method to generate barcode. Only generate barcode. So this is if you already have a SKU. If you already, all your products have SKU numbers, you guys, that part took me probably an hour to check every single product to give it a SKU because I have so many products and that definitely took me a while. So if you want to only generate SKU, this is actually the first part that you guys need to do. So generate SKU from barcode number. No, because you don't have a barcode. Only generate SKU for selected products or variants that don't have. And generate SKU for all selected products or variants. If products or variants don't have SKU, generate new SKU data. Right here. So let's try this one right here. We're going to put choose products from product list. This part took me forever. Oh my gosh. But I did this on my iPad. So I'm like trying to go as fast as possible. But it's like, you know, taking forever. So you're going to literally need to check every single product that you have to give it a SKU. But luckily, it's not as hard when it comes to the barcoding. Because if you're taking inventory, it's like I'm going to show you guys the way that I do it, like the easier way. This is the hard way, but you have to do this for the SKU. Like this part is like you can't get around it. It's no way to get around this. So anyways, so I've already done that, so I don't have to do that, but you guys will have to do it. So I'm already past that part. Once you do it one time, you're good to go. Unless you're getting in new shipments, new products, you're going to have to do it again. Only print labels for selected products. Okay, generate barcode and print labels. This is what I am trying to do right now. So only generate barcode. Make sure you guys read this correctly, okay? You don't want to waste your prints because every single print you do, they count it as a label. And, you know, you only have a certain amount per month, so you don't want to, you know, waste any. So only generate barcode for selected products or variants that don't have barcode value. Generate barcode from SKU. I usually just go to generate barcode from SKU because we have our SKU, okay? So this is what we're going to do. And then we're going to put choose a template to print. You always have to choose a template. That's why it's important to have your template. And then boom, product barcodes. That means whatever prints out is going to look exactly how your template looked. So we got that. Now we're going to choose the products that we want to do. So I usually do this another way. I'm going to show you guys the other way that I do it. But I can show you this way. Why not? So what I'm going to do is search up the product names. While I have you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and let's continue. All of these that I have right here are sunglasses that I need to do. Not this one, not this one. Do I have the dream sunglasses? Yeah. So we're going to do the dream sunglasses. Look, it checks every single variant, so that's cool. I've already taken the inventory for the sake of time in this video, so you guys don't have to worry about me taking the inventory right now, but let's see. We also need the pearl sunglasses I have right here. We already did the round Cali. I've already barcoded those. The square Cali I have right here. What else do I have? And I also have, the last ones I have are the icy frames. So let's just skip to the icy frames, guys. And once you have all of these, it's literally cake from there. Right here. Okay, cool. So 4 product variants. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. Now we're going to go to add. See, the only dilemma that I have right now is that I have to change the paper roll. I have another whole roll of like 1,000 labels. I've already used one full roll. Can you guys believe it? Oh my gosh, so many products. But I have another roll and I have to switch the thing out, but I have a few left on this roll, so I'm gonna use them. Obviously, I'm not just gonna take it out and switch it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change that out, but hopefully I won't waste you guys' time with that because I'm not gonna show you. But okay, so this part is very important. You guys, this is why it's important to take inventory before you do this, because you don't have to worry about, oh, I need this many, like you're taking inventory while you're doing this. No, it's already taken. I have 8 of these, 6 of these, 6 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these, 11. This is all correct because I've already taken this inventory yesterday, I think, or the day before yesterday. So now we're just going to go to print labels. Yes, we're gonna skip, okay? Because we don't have any black on black, so that's what they're saying. There's some with 0. And then boom, you can check them out. Look at it. Make sure it all looks good. Just scroll really quick. Okay, everything's in there. And I also have the text on like adjust the size, because you know how some product names are a lot longer. So you guys can literally just adjust the size of, like it'll automatically adjust it to where every single thing can fit on the barcode. Because it's such a small barcode, so you know, this is like, you need to do it the smart way. So Rollo, pages, paper size, pages sheet, for printable area, print. Okay, cool. Yeah, but I'm going to have to go over there because I have to change the label roll. So hold on. And then you just press print. Okay, so here are the barcodes that I just generated, you guys. So my next process is, if I'm doing like multiple products like this, I usually just take them and I separate the different types and I just put it with it. And then from there, guys, it's literally the easiest process ever. I'm going to show you guys like how quick I'm able to barcode these. It'll probably take me about 5 minutes total because everything is already like set up for me to barcode. See, I have them faced the way that I want to barcode them, like these. I'm gonna put the barcodes over these because why do I need 2 barcodes? So these I'm gonna put there, but I usually like to put them on the back. So all these are already facing the back way, and then these are displays, and I'm gonna have the barcode on these little hang tags here. So this is the way I like to create my barcodes. I just do it on my phone. So you just search the product up, you select all the different products that you want to do. In my case, I had like quite a few to select. So after you select the products, you're just going to look for that app. You go down to Yanet Print Barcodes or whatever app you use. And then like it's the easier way to do it. Literally, you just press generate new barcode from SKU because you should already have your SKUs. And then you just make sure the quantities are correct. You should have already taken inventory, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. Then you pick the template you want and then boom, print it. And that's it, y'all. It's literally that simple and it's the easier way to do it. Okay, so now we have our scanner. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this on. So the scanner is now on. I got to make sure it's connected to this. So this is going to be like my checkout tablet that I'm going to use. And it's like a whole stand that it's going to be on and everything. Okay, so you guys see connected battery 91%. It's Bluetooth, but I can also use it while I'm plugging it in. So now I'm pretty sure it's just ready to go. Let's check it out. So I'm going to let you guys look at that while I'm going to go ahead and just scan a product. let's do the cheetah icy frames. I'm gonna scan the cheetah icy frames. You guys see that? Instantly. Now let's scan the pearl sunglasses. Oh, this is so fun. These. Hold on, this one didn't scan. Okay, there we go. Anyways, you guys, this is so fun. So I just scanned all of these different ones. You guys, this is awesome. Literally so awesome. And I'm going to give you guys a close-up in case you weren't able to see it good. But this is so amazing. And y'all, I got this off eBay for very cheap. I got this with the... Hold on. I got this with the charger, so it can just, like, as soon as I'm done with it, I just sit it in here, and it's also charging because it's Bluetooth. And the plug will be inside of here, but I can also charge this. Like I said, I could also have this charged, but it's used, but it works perfectly fine. And if you guys want to get this brand new from Shopify, I think it's about, I don't know, guys, like $200. It's very expensive. But let's see. So this works perfectly fine, you guys. Like, I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys the actual full setup, but you guys see how easy that is to barcode your product, so that now when I go in person, easily and so professional, can show my customers that, like, look at how professional I am, y'all. Like, it's like I'm doing the work now, but when it comes to time to actually do the market, it's going to be super easy and seamless for me. And if I want a sister or somebody else to check people out, like if I have to do something, I can just have someone else do this, and it's very, very easy. No explaining needed. Literally just scan the products. That's it. But here is a close-up. Hold on, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. I'm just gonna like have this down here so you guys can have like a little close-up. But look how fun this is, bro. Just like that, and boom. And then boom, boom, boom. As you guys can see, all the ones that I just scanned, well, they were basically just adding it on because I already had some of these scanned, so they just made it two. But like, how fun is this? And then boom, let me just show you guys, like, check out. And I have the card tap reader, which, like I said, I'm showing you guys the full-on setup a little bit later, but you saw it says wake card reader because nothing's connected to it right now. But anyways, you have the option to do cash. I have my cash drawer. You have the option to do gift card if your company offers gift cards, manual entry, Cash App, PayPal. And I added these manually, Cash App and PayPal, because I am going to be accepting them. I also added Zelle. What if I click Zelle? Accept Zelle. Order will be... Okay, yeah. So that's what... See, what I'm doing is I'm going to have this, like, QR codes. I'm going to have QR codes for different ones, and I'm going to have it on, like, this acrylic sign. So if they do decide to pay with Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, whatever, they can just scan the QR code. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. They also have an option to split a payment. Like, if you want to use some cash, some people want to get rid of some cash to be like, okay, I want to do 40 cash and the rest on 180 on the card. They're able to do that if they want, or they can use a gift card, finish it off, and then do the rest in cash or whatever. But you guys see how seamless and easy this is. This is the Shopify POS system. I don't know about other things, but yeah, this is how it looks, guys. You guys, I have officially barcoded like most of these, which is such a good achievement because there are so many. But like, just look, bro. Imagine I had to literally barcode every single one of these individually. Some of these were very, very tedious to do because it took forever. And it's not just barcoding, like I had to put hang tags on things. Y'all, this is definitely a process, but it's worth it. Okay, look at all these, y'all. Like, what the heck? These phone cases, y'all. It feels like it was so long ago I did these, but it really wasn't. This has been so much. And what else we got, y'all? We got self-defense keychains in here and everything, y'all. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.